What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today I am doing a radio install. We got a Pioneer MVH S622BS Bluetooth. Yeah, not bad. Got it off of Crutchfield. Came with all the wiring stuff I'm going to need for Jetta. And I'm going to be soldering it up and then electrical taping it just to be kind of legit with it. So we're just going to get right into the unboxing here. Probably nothing great, but here we go. There it is. Not bad looking. It was wasn't too expensive. I think this was $120. Looks pretty sleek. All right. So what we're gonna do is our warranty info. Pull up the wiring diagram. Hopefully you can see that. Basically, we're gonna just go down the list. It tells us each input. So we're just going to pretty much color match it up to the Volkswagen harness we got here and start soldering it up and go from there. All right, so we're just going to start getting them ready here. I'm going to do yellow first. So yellow is our 12 volt constant. Okay, so here we go. She's all soldered up now. What I do is I do all the power wires, individually wrap them, and then wrap it into a bundle with powers. Same with each speaker. So the purple, green, black, and white. Put these four all together. That way, if one speaker's not working, instead of untaping the whole harness, you can just pick one of these. So that seems to work pretty good. And yeah, so I'm gonna put just a loose piece of tape on this real quick, just so they don't come flying apart while we go test it. I'm just gonna hold them in a bundle, just wrap one piece around it like that, and this one you leave undone because it's the remote wire, which didn't come with a remote. So okay, so here we are in the car. Got our harnesses here. I don't know why these are cut. Couldn't tell you. This one goes to the rear disc changer. This one's each speaker, and this is the power connector. So we're going to take the disc changer one and just bend it out of the way. And pretty much just leave it tucked back there because it's not going to get used. Hopefully this is good. Now we're going to take the harness right here. It's two separate plugs that go into it. They only fit one way, so it doesn't matter. But I believe black one goes on the bottom. Snap it in. Brown one on top. Okay. Then I'm just gonna loosely push everything back and just set this here so we can see if it even turns on. So turn the key to on, turn the radio, turn that off, and wait and see if it comes on. Boom. Language English. Yep. 12 p.m. It is 3:57. I'll do 3:58. Speaker mode. Standard. Network. I'm just going to do standard. Yes, sir. No. English. Okay. Hold up. English. 3:58. Yes. What the? English. 3:58. Speaker mode. Network. No. Standard. Yes. Oh, okay. I see. No, I don't want to start the demo. Alright, system language English. Yes, sir. Clock, scroll, beep tone, off. Info, auxiliary on, demo, off. Yes, demo off. And back to display here. How do I go back, actually? So, what I'm going to do here, I'm pull my phone up and try and connect our Bluetooth here. So, see, you got my phone. I'm going to, there it is, 6BT. Click on that. This says phone, iPhone, here it is. There's the code on my phone. And we hit yes and pair on the phone. Allow it to sync contacts, because why not? And it's connected. We're just going to go straight up to the music. So it's not bad. The audio settings need to be messed with a lot because it's really crispy, but also sounds like it's mushing together. What I'm gonna do, I don't think it's bad. I think there's a lot of settings. My dad's got a good ear, so I'm gonna go get him and bring him out, have him listen to the song, and then tell me what he thinks. So we'll be back. Okay, so back on the bench here. Had Dad give it a listen. He thinks it's not bad. I think it's not bad either. It's got a pretty good amount of bass to it. It's just I just don't have the treble. That's what I got to figure out how to work. Because I'm used to my other car that's got a lot better treble in it and way more bass. But all in all, not bad. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna get our dash kit. So what we got here. Okay, put this aside. Here's our dash kit. Got a bracket here. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, so it goes on the inside of this, just like that. Okay, then we got, so they gave us, they gave us screws with the kit and screws to the radio. So I'm gonna use the radio screws just because I think that's what I should use. Perfect. We got that. Here is our antenna, which I don't believe this is a powered antenna, so I'm not going to hook the power wire up. Actually, I know it's not. So that's just going to get stuffed right onto that. Got this and microphone because we're going to run that too. And let's go to the car. All right, so I'm going to start our antenna. It's just a snap-in one, just like that. And I'm just going to take it and tuck it back here. This harness, again, is not used for the CD changer. I'm going to just bend back and tuck it underneath. Okay. What was the thing I was going to do in here? The microphone, right? Here it is. Open it up. I'm going to, it's on this little clip here. I'm just going to slide it off the clip. Just push down, pull back. And we're going to, for now, we're just going to feed it out the side here. If out the side of the dash here, we can catch it in a second. I'll show you what to do with it. So we're gonna untangle the zip tie or the twist tie. Okay. Okay, trying to keep it from knotting up. And we're going to, actually, whatever. This is what I get. I tried to keep it from knotting up. There we go. I'm going to take it, and I can see, I'm not sure if you can see down there, but you can see the carpet. So I'm just going to feed it through there. Okay. Grab our radio once again. So hopefully you can see right there, it says microphone. So we're just going to pop that in. It only fits on one of them. These are for subwoofers and amps. We're going to take our antenna, pop that in, and our wiring harness. Pop that in. All right. So it's going to be kind of a mess, but you kind of just want to push this stuff back, get it to bend as you go. That way it doesn't get kinked or rip off tape or whatever. And just like that. Then we're going to take this dash kit and gently pry it in. It's got little clips right there, so I'm gonna probably, what do I got? Where's my key? Use that to shove it in. Kind of get under it and right on, just like that. And then we're gonna pull it back here, pop these in, and here's the final piece. Ready? Yes, sir. So that's how she looks with the radio in here. Looks pretty good. Now our last thing to do. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So here's our wire. This is where I ran it through the dash. I'm basically just gonna take it And there's a little hole. Let me try and show you up there. There's a hole right. No, that's not the one. Where is it? Right here. This is where we're gonna go through. So we're just gonna take our wire, feed it up here, just like this. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna put the microphone up here, just like this. And then we're gonna peel this layer, top layer off. And stick it right there. This tape doesn't feel real sticky, but it doesn't have to be insane. Is run it over the wheel. And then I'll zip tie it down at the bottom. So we're just gonna run it like this. Untuck this actually. And just leave a little slack there. Here's our wires. So I left a little slack in this one. I'm just going to straighten them out. Do a couple loops. Okay, and then we're gonna take this and basically we're just gonna tuck it. I don't even have to zip tie it. There's a little steel bar, the dash bar, and you can just shove it right in between that. Just like that. And yeah, that's how it looks. All done. So, alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, or leave a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Let me know. And stay tuned. Actually, have some big plans for this car, and I'll be telling you guys why real soon. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.